The United States could impose nearly 40% tariffs on imports from China early next year, a Reuters poll of economists showed, potentially slicing growth in the world's second biggest economy by up to 1 percentage point. The United States has formally indicted Gautam Adani, a prominent Indian businessman, on serious allegations of investor fraud. According to the indictment, Adani's conglomerate is accused of concealing payments exceeding $250 million, allegedly used as bribes to Indian officials to secure lucrative solar energy contracts. This case has sent shockwaves through the business and financial communities globally, raising questions about transparency and ethical practices in major infrastructure projects. Let's look at a few stocks that are likely to be in focus in today's trade. Starting with Adani Enterprises, Adani Green Energy. Adani Group stocks could come under significant selling pressure following charges filed by US prosecutors against its founder, Gautam Adani. The allegations involve a $250 million, or approximately 2,100 crore rupees, bribery scheme to secure renewable energy contracts in India. This development has raised concerns among investors, potentially impacting the group's market valuation. Then we have Wipro. The technology services and consulting company announced a collaboration with Lineage to help enterprises secure the open-source components within their software applications. Recently, Wipro's corporate investment arm, Wipro Ventures, invested in Lineage, a US-based software supply chain security company. And at last we have Godrej Properties. The real estate developer has acquired a 53-acre land parcel in Joka, Kolkata. The proposed project is estimated to have a development potential of 1.3 million square feet of saleable area, primarily consisting of residential plotted development, with an estimated revenue potential of 500 crore rupees. Technical view on Nifty and Bank Nifty for today. On 19th November, pressure at higher levels caused the Nifty 50 and the Bank Nifty to close off the day's highs. The Nifty 50 nearly approached 23,800, which is probably going to be important for a rise to 24,000 to 24,500. However, closing below the 200 DEMA, 23,541, would pave the way for 23,200. For the Bank Nifty, the 10 DEMA, or about 51,000, is a crucial mark for a rise in the Bank Nifty into the 51,500 to 52,000 range, while a fall below 50,300 would push it in the direction of the 200 DEMA, or 49,900.
You can reach us via phone, WhatsApp, or email using the information listed on the screen. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more financial insights. And, as always, if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, leave them in the comments section below. Until next time, happy investing.